Vigor Run Tech, one top and leading radio-controlled lawnmower robot manufacturer in China, focus on the research and development of remote control and autopilot unmanned vehicles. Track-mounted remote-operated lawn grass cutter is our current main product, widely used in lawn mowing, weed cutting, and bush trimming, suitable for slope, steep incline, wasteland, roadside, orchards, gardens, wildfire prevention, field weeds, and so on. The wireless radio control crawler mowing robot adopts CE and EPA-approved gasoline engine, operated by remote control up to 200 meters long distance, adjustable cutting height, travel speed up to 6 kilometers per hour, rechargeable batteries. Based on the in-depth understanding of our own products, we can provide the best after-sales services. We are looking for distributors and dealers all over the world.